Understanding, cleaning house, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, cleaning house. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. Let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means. Cleaning house literally refers to the physical act of tidying and organizing a home. This involves activities like dusting, mopping, decluttering, and organizing different areas of a house. It's a phrase often used in day-to-day life when talking about household chores. Beyond its literal sense, cleaning house can also have a figurative meaning. In a broader context, it refers to making significant changes or removing unwanted elements from any group or organization. This can include changing staff, altering policies, or reorganizing structures in a business, political group, or any other type of organization. To better understand cleaning house, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use. This weekend, I'm really going to focus on cleaning house. It's time to tidy up and get organized. 2. Figurative use. The new manager is cleaning house, replacing several old policies with new, more efficient ones. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, cleaning house, in both its literal and figurative senses. Whether you're talking about sprucing up your living space or making major changes in an organization, this phrase is quite versatile in English conversation. Keep practicing, and you'll be using it like a native speaker in no time.